Redmi 5A, 2GB RAM with internal memory 16GB variant, 5-inch HD display, and it has a 13 megapixel back-end camera with flashlight, LED flashlight, and the front has a 5 megapixel camera. At the bottom of this mobile, it has an USB charging port with a mic. At the left hand side, you can see able to see SIM card tray with memory card tray, SIM card tray, and first this is the SIM card 1 and memory card, and this is SIM card 2 tray. So the top of the mobile, it has a 3.5mm jack, and it has an IR remote. It is usable to change a video, change TVs instead of TV remote or any remote electrical items we can able to use for this. And at the right hand side, the volume adjusting key and the power off button this, and is unable to open the back end because it is a non-removable battery package and 3000 mAh battery. Okay, now we can see the CPU of this system. Yeah, look at here, it has an Cortex H53 and 1.4 GHz speed, and clock speed is 1.4, and GPU antenna is in 308, and device is in Redmi 5A model, and it has a 5-inch display, HD display. Screen resolution is 720 x 1280 pixel. Screen density has a 295 dpi. It's really super for the image clarity and the videos to see. And it has a 2GB RAM plus availably 800 MB using. Internal storage is in 16GB storage, but internal able to use is able to use in for a user approximately 9.6 GB only. Available storage is 8 GB free, and system Android version is 7.1.2. It's super for it is a latest version now. And health battery also 3000 mAh, so no problem. Battery voltage, it has a 3000 mAh only. Thermal sensor, and sensor only I think okay, now we can see internet speed test. Okay, for that I have to turn on the mobile data, and it has in Geo 4G. The mobile data has been on. Now check the internet speed test. This is the first time I am testing with this mobile, so just we can see how much internet speed will be. And it has a 4G support and OLED also. Let's you can see. Yeah, it has a Geo 4G, but the downloading speed is less than 1 Mbps and uploading speed is 0.73 Mbps. I don't know whether it is right or not, so again we can check once again, but it is not a wireless network only, so maybe network signal will be some maybe errors, so we can check one more time. Yeah, shall I check one more time? Begin test. Yeah, really, the third time the downloading speed goes above 1 Mbps, and the uploading speed also goes above 1 Mbps. So the network signal is a little weak, I think. That's why the network signal downloading speed will be getting a variance. Okay, so about the I have to say about this mobile advantages. Before that, I can exit everything. Yeah, sure. Okay. This mobile has a dual SIM. Dual SIM is a benefit, isn't it? Using multiple SIM at the same time. It's allowed to use two service without the need to carry two mobiles phones at the same time. It is very useful. And one more thing, it has an external SD card support also. At the same time, you can use two SIM plus an SD cards. And this mobile has an outer look, it is as an 8.4 mm thickness only, so it looks very easy to carry this mobile. And this mobile has an weightless, really super to carry this mobile at this price range. And this mobile has a 5-inch HD display. It is easy to view reading or browsing internet, watching videos, viewing images like that. It is very useful, and it is on a bigger screen, and it has a 2.94 ppi, and ppi means it is in pixel density. It is used to view images, videos. Looks amazing on this phone. If 294 ppi with HD display, it is benefit for this mobile. And it has an high resolution camera, 13 megapixel at the back side with flashlight, and the front has a 5 megapixel but don't have a flashlight. There is no issue. And in this mobile you can record HD videos with a full HD format with 30 fps, 30 phones. You can record this video full HD with 30 phones. It is very okay. And it has 2 GB RAM. Already explained you. And this mobile has 5,000 INR, Indian rupee. At this price range, this mobile is worth for money, because before 1 year we are getting for 2 GB RAM with 16 GB internal memory, means we have to pay nearly above 8 to 12,000. But after 1 year the mobile came at this price. This is very useful to everyone, because this mobile has all features. There is no issue. Maybe this is the today my first day of this mobile. This is my wish, this is my opinion. Maybe let them I have to check after 1 month sometimes whether how it's possible, like that. The sensitive touch screen also, the sensitivity also fully very nice, but still now I didn't take this paper. You can able to see this here. Okay, now we can see the, shall we change the now launcher right now? Okay, just click on the now launch. Got it. Super. The now launcher has been. Look at the visuals, it's fully changed and really beautiful for this mobile, because there is no any struggling option in this, because the 2 GB variant will be working perfectly. 2 GB RAM is working perfectly, because you can see Yeah, super. Okay, now we can check the USB OTG will support or not in this mobile. Okay, now we can see. Yeah, this is the USB cable and this is the USB pen drive, and these two on USB pen drive. Now we can see USB OTG cable for whether it is support a USB OTG or not. Let's we can see. Just I am plugging in. First we can check 4GB pen drive. This is 4GB pen drive. USB drive has been detected. Touch to open. Wow, super. 4GB pen drive, it has been detected, and let's have one movie in this mobile. Let's we can see whether it's playing or not. Okay. Yeah, super. It's working, and the sound quality also it's very nice. Fine. Yeah, super. There is no struggling at all. It's perfectly working USB support. Okay, now we can check another 16GB pen drive. And the USB support is one amazing use. What is this? You can transfer the files easily to your phone to USB or USB to your SD card to USB. Whatever you wish, you can use. You can transfer any files between phone and USB and USB to phone. Whatever. It's bright feature for this mobile. Okay, now we can see. Before we are removing your pen drive, have to select eject. Yes, you can able to see eject button. Just click here. Yes. Now you can remove this pen drive. Now we can check a 16GB pen drive. Yes, now I ejected 16GB pen drive. Let's we can see. Yes, HP USB drive has been detected. Super. These two are now working. 16GB pen drive also working with this mobile. Let's we can see I have a movie in this pen drive. Let's we can see whether it's playing or not.
You can have a after I'm done.
Super, it's working.
As the blood moon approach.
The sound quality is really very nice. There is no even small issue by using an external drive like USB. Super. really very nice. Okay, now shall we reject everything? Okay, yes. In this in mobile, any few hidden features with this mobile. What are these? Let's we can see. Okay, and first thing, unlock and lock it and unlock. Swipe from left. You can see Me Home and MI Remote. Yes, MI Remote means what? MI Remote is used to change your external electronic device like DVD player or TV. Instead of remote, you can use this MI remote. Whatever Samsung in this inbuilt Samsung TV and living room Samsung TV. So Samsung TV is inbuilt with this mobile. If you need to add any other TVs or any DVD players, whatever you wish, you can use with this MI remote instead of their original remote. This is the one feature, and the second feature is this mobile with multitasking app. That means multi-screening. How to use this multi-screening? Just we can see. It has and many apps has been opened. Okay. Now we can see. Sorry, there is no videos with this mobile, so just I'm plugging in. Okay. Mobile you can use a multi windows happening. How to use a multi windows? Just click on the multitasking and click on the top of the left screen. Split screen you can able to see that. Just click here and drag items here. So just app info. Just click and drag here. You can see app infos there, and here explore the applications. So this is the USB drive option on, and this is the app info for Explorer app info you are seeing. In this we can see the yes. This is the two window app. You can use the multiple windows whatever, but all apps will not support. Some few apps only will support like this type of multi-viewing app. Okay, these are the second feature, but still no, the app is still on, so close it here and the exit is possible to back from. Okay, and the second app is just click on time. You can use the quick shut, I mean swap button. This is the swap button for this. You can quickly swap between last app and future. This best feature for this. This is the third hidden feature. Okay, now we can see the camera qualities. How it is. Yes, look here. Really, it's very nice. It has a 13 megapixel camera, and you can able to see the fruit of spread. It is a little too small. You can see able to see the pixel clarity also very nice. This photo has been taken with a flashlight. It's really very nice. Really, it's both for money. My suggestion is, and my opinion is, 5,000 INR. It is a really worth for money. At this price range, we can't able to buy even any other brand's mobile, because everything is being perfect with the lowest price. And it's not the mid-range, it is the lowest price range model, and really it's beautiful.